Stop sending resumes into a black hole. They are frequently rejected by an applicant tracking system, ATS, before a human even looks. I'm Jazz, and I'm revealing the 3 fixes you need to make to stop being invisible and start getting hired. 75% of resumes are blocked by AI filters, leaving only 2% for an actual interview. To beat the odds, your resume must solve a problem, not just list duties. If it doesn't solve a need in 6 seconds, you've already lost the blink test. Recruiters don't read, they scan. Is your resume clear at a glance? You have 6 seconds to pass the blink test. Focus on the top third of your page. That's the above the fold area, where more than half of the hiring decision is made. If your value isn't clear there, you've already lost them. To pass the filter, you need a targeted job title. Place the role you want directly under your name, even if it's not your current title. It's not fluff, it's signaling instant relevance to the ATS, AI, and the recruiter. Match the goal, not just your past. Most recruiters will see your resume on a mobile screen first. If it's hard to read on a phone, it's going in the trash. Keep your layout simple and mobile ready so you never miss an opportunity, no matter where they're reading. Stop sending the same resume everywhere. Consider a master resume to tweak for each position or 2 versions, a simple single-column file for automated filters, and a polished design for humans. But remember, files only get you noticed. Your digital footprint gets you hired. Your resume isn't everything. Today, recruiters use your digital footprint to verify your brand. Before hitting submit, ensure your LinkedIn and other social profiles mirror the value you've built here. We'll deep dive into those social strategies in another video. Forget the one-page rule. With multiple companies, positions, or years of experience, 2 pages is the standard. When applying for educational, academic, or scientific positions, the longer resume is almost always called a curriculum vitae, or a CV. Remember, your resume is a snapshot, not a transcript. Every line must prove your future value. If a bullet doesn't sell your results, it doesn't belong. Keywords are how you beat the 75% rejection rate. Look at the job description and use their exact terms for skills and tools. Don't imply your expertise, state it clearly. When you match their language, the ATS identifies you as a top candidate every time. Ditch the objective. Recruiters already know you want the job. Instead, use a professional tagline. Don't tell them what you want, show them what you offer. Think of it as your elevator pitch. It proves you can solve their problems before they even see your experience. The toolkit is your evidence locker. It is a table on your resume highlighting your skills and development. What's posted isn't just lists, they're proof of your expertise. While there's no limit to what you can include, focus only on what's relevant. If a detail proves you can solve a problem, it earns a spot in your toolkit. Employers hire results, not responsibilities. Turn your duties into accomplishment statements that prove your value. As you see here, shifting from managing to solving changes the narrative. Frame every bullet point as a solution, not just a task. Should you include a photo? In most cases, the answer is no. Photos can trigger unconscious bias and create legal hurdles for recruiters. Keep the focus entirely on your qualifications. Let your skills do the talking and save the headshot for LinkedIn. Recruiters ask one thing: why should I hire you? The answer, in a few seconds, is a branding statement. Your branding statement is a 4 or 5 line value proposition that proves your ROI. Don't just list a title, bridge the gap between what you do and the results. Treat AI as your assistant, not your author. Use it to align your skills with the job description. Your golden nugget prompt? Ask AI to identify the top 3 missing keywords in my resume. Ensure you're speaking the recruiter's language before you press submit. Here's a final challenge. Take 5 minutes right now to turn 3 tasks into measurable results. Remember, your resume isn't just a history of the past, it's a solution for a company's future. Make every second count. I'm Jazz. Now go land that interview.